Borquita-Reaching Build Company Limited is located in Shenzhen and specializes in aluminum, UPVC window and door, and wooden door. We offer custom products for different construction projects from residential house to offices, factories to apartments. We have many years industry experience working with wholesalers, distributors, architects, builders, contractors, developers, and individual customers around the world, like America, Australia, Europe, Jamaica, Panama, New Zealand, Kenya, etc. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, we have more than 20 experienced sales members, always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have some series of aluminum windows and doors based on AS2047 standard specially for Australia market, some series of aluminum windows and doors for hotel projects and individual houses, and also some series of UPVC windows and doors specially for chain store retailing, government building, passive house, and economic housing project. Besides, our custom solution concerns not only those basic factors such as window size, opening sizes, window style, glazing, and hardware, but also clients' special requirements, like the Australia bushfire rate, the insulation, shading coefficient, U-factor, and anti-corrosion property. If you have any project ongoing or coming up soon, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Looking forward to cooperating with you. We are the ideal partner of your business and determined to move forward with you together.